Hey y'all, this is an impromptu video. Okay, I'm making these cupcakes, brownies, and they come packaged up like this. You gotta be mixing up nothing and doing all that. Just they come packaged up on this little tray. In this package, where you buy the refrigerated cookies. And you just put them in a muffin paper thingamajig or a cookie sheet. And I just wanted to put some M&Ms in them. That's what I use. So I'm going to be using my Cosori air fryer oven. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to change the rack. I changed the position of the rack. You should be ready in about 12 or 13 minutes. 350. So we'll see. You know, brownies are supposed to still be soft and ooey gooey. So I'll be back when they're done. Okay, that's how they look right before I take them out. I added a little more time, so these took about 18 minutes. They look done to me. And you really can't test the brownie by sticking a skewer in it, because they're supposed to be ooey and gooey on the inside. I ain't supposed to be opening that door either unless I'm ready to take them out. Just a minute. Let's see if the top is firm. Yeah. Okay. Take them out. Cancel. Okay. Turn the light off. Always unplug my appliances. Always. So that's how my, brownie muffins look. Yeah, they're done. See how they pull away from the paper? Okay, Walter, be happy. You don't know I'm baking these. See back there in the room. So, I can't show myself today. It's actually 10:21 p.m. So, thumbnail. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. Bye.